So you are using or trying to use the ipcalc tool, but you're getting mixed results. Let me show you what I mean. Come on, get over here. Yeah, sure. So you are trying to use the ipcalc tool for doing ipcalc stuff. So in this case, I'm on rel 10, and maybe you're getting similar results, which is you do this, looks fine. This is the ipcalc tool doing ipcalc stuff, calculating subnets, networks, and all that good stuff. But it looks a little bit poor. So you're probably just hoping to see something like this, or you want to do something like this to ipcalc. Here's a major network. Can you please give me some subnets? And you get nothing. Basically, I'm trying to find 15 hosts for that subnet and give me all the information, and you get nothing. But now you actually do get all the information you expect from the ipcalc tool. Okay, so if you want to get all the things that you deserve, which is all the binaries, the subnets, the subnet masks, and all of that good stuff, you see that I can either get it or get nothing. Okay, so what is the difference here? The difference is that on Reddit, at least the distro I'm using right now, this can occur in other distros. The built-in ipcalc tool, it's not the same per se. ipcalc tool that you can actually get from the download website. So if you want to get all the things you deserve on the ipcalc tool, you have to go to this site here. I'm going to put it on the description below. And you download your favorite format, RPMs. I downloaded the .gz and I just extracted it. But you just pick up. So for example, I can go to, I think I use the rel CentOS or something. Well, I got the .gz. So as you can see here, I unpacked the .gz file or the zip file. So you download from that website. I'm going to put it in the description below. And you get it. But when you execute the extracted file, don't just type ipcalc, because this is going to usually, for the most part, use the built-in, the one that's in the system, somewhere in OS or bin or something like that. So which ipcalc? So it's going to use this one by default, which is in the path. Okay. So if you are on the location where you extracted ipcalc, you need to type --ipcalc, and this is going to execute or run the ipcalc tool you just downloaded, and you're trying to execute it to the download folder. So this is why you get different results, different ipcalcs. Get the one fully fledged, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.